Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 22nd, 2025, Bitcoin has broken through to a new all-time high, surpassing $109,000. We're going to analyze both the current news and the chart data to make informed predictions. The news is buzzing with excitement as Bitcoin Magazine Pro Managing Director says Bitcoin is $1,000 from an all-time high, and Positive Crypto has stated it feels like Bitcoin is getting ready to go much higher. Stablecoin legislation is about to pass the Senate, and Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. Trump is hosting a private dinner for the top meme coin holders as Bitcoin hits record high. CoinDesk reported miners liquidated 115% of April production due to hash price hovering near break-even levels. Now, let's jump into the charts and see how this news correlates with the price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant uptrend leading to this new all-time high. The last few candles are showing strong bullish momentum, but also a recent consolidation, suggesting a possible pullback before further gains. Support can be found around the $60,000 level, a key area where Bitcoin has bounced several times in the past. A break below this level could signal a bearish reversal. Resistance is now in uncharted territory, but psychologically, $110,000 is the next level to watch. Keep an eye on trading volumes. Consistently high volumes on upward moves would support a bullish continuation, while low volumes might indicate a weaker rally. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can get a closer look at the recent price action. We see a more detailed view of the consolidation and breakout leading up to the all-time high. Looking closely at the last 20 to 30 candles, you can see a possible reversal might be incoming. Immediate support can be found near $109,000, the previous all-time high, while resistance remains open until a reversal. If the price breaks below $109,000, it might test lower support levels around $108,500 or even $108,000. However, sustaining above this level would likely confirm the bullish trend and push Bitcoin higher. Let's zoom in even further with the 15-minute chart to observe the most recent movements. The short-term trend looks bullish, but we need to be cautious of potential overbought conditions. Monitor the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on this timeframe. If it enters overbought territory, above 70, a short-term pullback becomes more probable. This chart helps you anticipate short-term movements and predict price action with how the overall trend can play out based on the lower timeframe charts. In summary, Bitcoin is in blue sky territory after a bullish 24 hours due to regulations and public sentiment, but the market across all assets are currently down due to a weak bond auction. Key price levels to watch are support at $60,000 on the daily and support at $109,000 on the hourly. A break above $110,000 could lead to further upside potential in the short and long term. Important events to keep an eye on is Trump's upcoming private dinner with meme coin holders. There is a low likelihood of a crash in the short term and medium term as the overall trend has been up. If new regulatory news becomes bearish, be very cautious.